Let's go ahead and find the value of e being an irrational number, just like pi is an irrational number, which is about 3.14, e is about 2.7, and e is defined as being the limit of this expression over here as n gets larger and larger as n approaches infinity. So to get e from our calculator, all we have to do is press second and over here the division symbol, and e will show up as 2.7 and a lot of decimals, as you can see, but let's just round it to 2.7. Now if we wanted to get e quantity squared, we could do the same thing again, do second division symbol and then put a power and the number 2. That would be the square of e. Or you could do second division symbol and just press the x square key. A third way would be to do the following. If you do, as you notice right here, this is the ln key, the natural log key. Now e to the x is the inverse of that. So if you do second ln, you get e raised to a power. And you just have to enter the number 2, close the parenthesis, and that's also going to give you what e squared is worth. Now let's say we want to get e to the power -1. We could do second over here division symbol, and then we could do exponent key and then parenthesis, negative sign, a 1 and a parenthesis. That would be one way. Or we could do second over here division symbol, which is e, and then go ahead and press the x to the -1 to paste the -1 exponent on e, or do again second ln of -1. The exponential function f of x is equal to 1066 e to the power 0.042x models the gray wolf population of the Western Great Lakes. That's f of x. Now x is the number of years after 1978. Project the gray wolf population in the recovery area in 2012. So what we need to do is the following. We need to notice how many years is 2012, away from 1978, okay? So you could do it in your head or you could just check it out, okay? And we notice that it's 34 years after 1978. Remember, x stands for the number of years after 1978. So in this case, x will be equal to 34. So in this function for f of x, we replace x by 34. So you put it here and you put it there. So f of 34, the population of the gray wolves over here in that year, 2012, will be whatever this is over here, and we have to compute that. So that's 1000 over here. Let me do that. So 1066, and then we want to raise e over here to the power 0.042 times 34, and press enter, and we can round that to the nearest whole number. 4446 would be the answer.